Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find the limit. So in this one, we can put about the square root of n square and the square root of n, because this is about n to the power of 1. 1 plus number 2, we have number 3. So the square root of n square, you got about n. So this one will distribute for this one. So we have like this. So if we look carefully, this one, that is about the length of the rectangles. This one, that is about the width of the rectangles. And we know that number 1, that is about 1 minus number 0. So in this one, we can use about the definition of integration. So we can put about the integration from 0 to number 1. And this is about the square root of s. So the square root of s, that is about s to the power of 1 over 2. The integration of this one, we have like this. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 0 gone here. And we got about 1 over number 2 plus number 1. So we calculate this one. And we have 2 over 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.